In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get recruiters to find you for remote jobs on LinkedIn. There's a simple insider setting that puts you in front of the right people. Inside LinkedIn Recruiter, the tool companies use to discover candidates, there's a filter that lets recruiters search specifically for people open to remote roles. Many job seekers never switch this on, which means they're invisible in those searches. Turn it on, and you can appear where others don't. Here's how to activate it. Open your LinkedIn profile and scroll to the section labeled Open To. This is where you tell LinkedIn that you're open to work, whether you're actively searching or just exploring. If you prefer to stay discreet, choose the option that shows your status only to recruiters who use LinkedIn Recruiter. Your current employer won't see it, and you won't display the green Open to Work banner. If you want maximum visibility as a job seeker, you can enable the green banner, totally optional, and you can switch it off at any time. Now for the important part. When you turn on the Open To section, LinkedIn automatically selects on-site and hybrid roles by default. That does not include remote. Manually add remote as a work preference so it's clearly listed. Confirm your choices and save. If you've used this feature in the past, double-check it because defaults can reset when you edit your profile. This single change makes you eligible to appear when recruiters filter for remote candidates. Why does this matter so much? In LinkedIn Recruiter, there are over 1 billion profiles, but only around 33 million show up when the remote filter is applied. That gap exists because many people forget to add remote. As someone hiring for fully remote roles, that filter is one of the first things used to narrow the talent pool quickly. By signaling remote availability, you rise to the top of the right searches and dramatically increase your visibility for the roles you actually want. Quick reminder. Keep your Open To preferences accurate and current. If discretion is important, stick with the recruiters only setting. If broad visibility helps your search, the green banner is available, but it's your choice. If you have questions about the search filter or want to learn about other features recruiters rely on, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, remember to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads.